When I come around, got the whole thing wobbling. Wobbling. When I come around.
What we're going to do today is talk about Electroneum, some simple ways to mine Electroneum with your CPU and GPU miners. A lot of people want to mine, and a lot of people get really confused by how to go about mining because there's a lot to it. And let's just start from the beginning and show you guys some simple ways to mine. So I'll show you what I have going right now, and then I'll show you how I did it. So right now we have Electroneum Pool Miner v1.2 beta. Here's my Electroneum address. It's in blue. And then down here is the pool URL. Here's my hash rate on this CPU. And here's miner output, threads, hashes, hash per second, date, shares, etc. Now, I'll show you how to go about getting all these things in a minute here. Next, here is the GPU miner for Electroneum. You'll see, I scrolled up to the top so you could see this, but above the Claymore's Crypto Night AMD GPU miner version 10.2 beta, you're going to see after the D:// you're going to see a bunch of ucrypto.com, easy miner. There's a bunch of stuff here. And all this is needed to be put into play for your GPU miner to work. Within this, you're also going to see over in the far right the Stratum plus TCP ETN ucrypto 5555. That's also in the CPU miner, that line of code there. Then you're also going to see the ETN long set of digits and numbers and letters all the way down to the MLEU. That is my Electroneum address. And then you have other things like XPSW, which is password, all pools, which is the pool, and there's other things there too. These are all codes for your mining program to work. So there's that. So right now I have a GPU miner working, mining Electroneum at 701 hashes per second. And I have a CPU miner hashing at 59 hashes per second. Let's minimize those. Okay. Now, let's go back to here to the Electroneum Pool Miner v1.2 beta. Now, if we go to the Electroneum website, www.electroneum.com, you're going to see this thing here that says downloads right here. Click downloads, and you can see download Windows Miner, beginners pool mining software. Also, they have offline wallet generator, so you can print out a paper wallet with your private key, your public address, and private address or something like that. But there's 3 different addresses on it. Here's pool mining software. Here's location, downloads, discussion, source code. Lots of information on electroneum.com. Here's a CPU miner code, like we were talking about before, the Stratum plus TCP, the miner, okay, your wallet address, that long set of characters. That's all necessary for a miner to work. And there's different kinds of miners. There's a YAM miner, Claymore CPU miner, direct mining software, Windows Direct Miner. Here's a download, GitHub source code. Mac has a miner. There's a download, GitHub. Linux has a miner, download, GitHub. So there's a lot of information on Electroneum, downloads.electroneum.com. So for what we're doing, we're going to go to downloads. We're going to click download Windows Miner. Now we already have Windows Miner. I'm already using it. But this is where you go to get it. So if you want to use this right here, you would go to downloads.electroneum.com or electroneum.com and click downloads, and then you would save this, save as or save or run, whatever you prefer, and then you could start mining with mining Electroneum CPU mining. through here. So there's that. Now once you get in there and you get it downloaded, you got to put your Electroneum wallet address in right here. That's in several different locations. If you have an Electroneum account, you probably have it in your Electroneum address where you have your Electroneum account, your personal account. You also, if you have it in Cryptopia where you've been buying and selling Electroneum, your wallet address is there. And then you need your pool URL, which is those characters I was showing earlier. And then you need to decide what kind of CPU you have. 3333 is your basic CPU. 5555 is a more advanced gaming CPU. I believe there's a 7. I think there's a 7777 or an 8888. You have to look into this for yourself. But most people have a 3333, and then the rest of them usually have a 5555. Okay? I think about 3% of, I think there's 3 or 4% from what I've looked into that have anything over that. So 96% of you are going to be okay with a 3333 or a 5555. So that covers most of you. Now we go to the pull list under the drop down menu. I'm using ucrypto.com. You can use a lot of these. You can use any of these probably. Most of them work. And I'm going to go here. Oh, I got to get going. Okay, we'll do this really quick. Go to ucrypto, ETM pull, click getting started. This shows the ports I was talking about. Let me show you the code. There's the code. You need stratum all the way through there. That is your code to make the miner work. You control C to copy. Go down to your CPU miner, copy paste right there. Boom, your miner works. Wallet and URL. We got a working CPU miner. You're also going to need that for your GPU miner. Always have a notepad going. There's my notepad ETN address. That code I just showed you, copy paste, keep a notepad going with all the necessary information. And there you go. What you want to do next is you want to download the GPU miner. And where you get that is you get that from right here. Now it's called ucrypto.com easyminer.zip 15.3 megabytes. I already have it, so I'm not gonna save it. I'm just gonna go open it. What do you want to do? Open it. Open it. That's probably gonna tell me there's some security issue, which is fine. I already saved it. I already did. There we go. So it's not gonna go through here, which is fine. Perfect example. I'll show you why that worked. Why that doesn't work. So what you need to do now is you need to go to Windows Defender, Control Panel. Windows Defender is second from the bottom on mine. On the upper left, allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Change settings. Allow another app. Browse. Mine is under My Passport, but it's going to go over here to whatever you had yours under. uCrypto ETN miner. Open. After you open, it's going to go here. You're going to add. Mine says I already have it in because I've already added all these programs. And you're going to continue to do that until all the programs in the file are added. Okay? And once all the programs in the file are added, and you've put your address, and you've put everything in there, and then what you're gonna do is on the let me see if I can do it real quick. Right here. So ucrypto.com easy NTM miner. When you open that program, you're going to have your wallet address. You're going to put your wallet address right here. You're going to hit AMD or whatever you have, AMD or NVIDIA. If you don't have those, forget it, okay? You're going to hit one of those, mine are AMD Radeons. You're going to click Start Mining after you've done all your exclusions with Windows Firewall. And you're going to start mining on your GPU. End of story. So thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments section. I'm not a pro. This is this is the basic of GPU mining and the basic of CPU mining. Just wanted to get people started in mining, get people kind of start to get familiar with how this all works. I have questions as well, so feel free to leave comments in the comment section. I have to get going immediately, and you guys have a good night or day wherever in the world that you are. And I'm going to close up shop, and I'll have to update.
Models popping bottles.